Ahoy, me hearties. Captain Arresto here, ready to set sail on a new flavor voyage. Today, we're diving deep into the world of bitters. That's right, those magical little drops that can turn any ordinary cocktail into a treasure. And what better way to start than with homemade orange bitters? Stick around because once we make these, we'll be whipping up a refreshing lemon, lime, and orange bitters drink. Let's get started. First, we need the zest from 4 to 6 oranges. Now, it's important, mateys, to only get the orange part of the peel. None of that white pith. It's bitter in the wrong way. Once you've got your zesty treasure, dry it out. You can use a dehydrator, bake them slow at 50 degrees Celsius, or even stick them in front of a heater, whatever floats your boat. Now, once your zests are cool and dry, drop them into a jar, like so. We want enough to loosely fill the jar. Then comes the magic, high-proof alcohol. I'm using 97% neutral spirit, but you can use moonshine, Everclear, or even overproof rum if that's more your speed. Pour in about half a cup. Muddle the zest and top it off until all that peel is covered. Now, mateys, give it a good shake. This is your orange flavoring base, but we're not done yet. Oh no, this here bitters needs a little spice and a touch of bitter. Time for the spice mix. We've got half teaspoon of caraway seeds, half teaspoon of cloves, a star anise pod, and half teaspoon of aniseed seeds. Grind them up with your trusty mortar and pestle. Then toss them into another jar. Just like with the oranges, we'll cover these spices with half a cup of high-proof alcohol and give it a good shake. Next up, the bittering mix. This is what gives bitters their signature bite. We're using 1 teaspoon of gentian root, and 1 teaspoon of red cinchona bark. Into a third jar they go, followed by, you guessed it, another half cup of high-proof alcohol. And we shake again. The waiting game. Now, here's where you've got to show patience, mateys. Each of these jars needs to steep for 2 weeks. That's right, shake them daily and let the flavors mingle. Once 2 weeks have passed, strain the spice mix and the bittering mix, leaving behind just the liquid. Pour both of those into your orange zest jar. Now we let it all steep together for another 2 weeks, shaking daily. Final straining and bottling. We're almost there. After those final 2 weeks, strain out the orange zest through a sieve and give it a final strain with a coffee filter to get it nice and smooth. Pour it into your bottles. And there you have it, orange bitters, ready to enhance any cocktail. Now, what better way to show off our fresh bitters than by making a citrusy drink that'll quench your thirst after a long day at sea? We're going to make a lemon, lime, and orange bitters drink. Here's what you'll need: 50 milliliter fresh lemon juice, 50 milliliter fresh lime juice, a few dashes to 50 milliliters of our homemade orange bitters, depending on how bold you like your flavor. Topped with lemon lime soda, like 7-Up, Sprite, or any other similar brand. Start with 15 milliliters of lemon juice and 15 milliliters of lime juice. Pour that into your glass. Top it all off with some ice and a generous splash of lemon lime soda. Then add a few dashes, or up to 15 milliliters of our homemade orange bitters, depending on how adventurous you're feeling. Give it a gentle stir, and you've got yourself a zesty, fizzy masterpiece. Now that hits the spot. Bright, citrusy, and with just the right hint of bitter to keep things exciting. Perfect for a day at sea or a sunset on the beach. So there you have it, me hearties. Homemade orange bitters and a perfect citrus drink to boot. Until next time, may your cocktails be bold and your spirits high. This is Captain Arresto signing off. Cheers.